Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another quick video, hopefully it's quick. So I got the upgraded sound system in my Corolla, and excuse my French, the speakers are S $$$$$$. Anyway, so I'm attempting to see without doing too much changes if I upgrade the speakers, if that would make a difference. So that's what we're gonna do. So the first thing we're gonna try to upgrading the back speakers, because when you crank it up, it's almost like the back speaker are non-existent. You don't hear anything. Like, you literally have to put your ears close to the door to hear something. So I got some new speakers. I'm hoping this will make a difference. So if you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed, guys, it's easy. Boop, it's done. Subscribe, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. Okay guys, the door panel on this car is one of the easiest one to take out. It's very easy. All you need is a trim removal tool, which I have. You just slide it on the side here and you pop this clip off. Oop. Okay, then you unplug the window switch. There's two Phillips right here. So after you take these out, you got to take this clip out. There is a screw right here. Just pop this guy off and take out the screw that's holding it. Then you found a spot to pop the door panel. Now you already pop the door, and there you go. The door panel is out. And I'm gonna take this guy off. It's just a clip over here. You can just lift the clip, it should pop open. There we go, that's easier. Take the panel out of the way. And here you go guys, that's the speaker. So let's just take it out. Okay, unplug it. There we go. She's out. This is it guys. Look how small super magnet. This is it. I'm gonna put a little bit of this. I don't want to put the beautiful stuff, the other heavy stuff, because I want to be able to have a little bit something. I don't want to go crazy, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this in the back, and then we're gonna put the fast ring front and rear. So let's go. Alright guys, it's done. So now we got to put the fast ring in here guys. I'm gonna put a little piece over here. Alright guys, here's the fast ring. So before I put anything in there, I'm gonna lower the window. Okay, let me go lower the window, make sure it's all good. Alright, window is down. Let's test this guy out. Nope, no problem whatsoever. Not touching the window. Let me see, at all. Okay, good. Bring the window back up. All right, let's put the fast ring on, guys. Perfect. Okay guys, looks good. There you go guys, I had to leave a little opening here, but we're gonna black this out too, okay? So I think that looks good. See it? Here's the fast wing there. Now let's put the bracket on. I'm gonna put a little bit of rubber around the speaker bracket. Let's go. Alright, here you go guys. Because this bracket fits fairly well here, we don't need these tabs. I can snap this guy off. Oh. And snap that one off. Oh wow, hold on. Okay, jeez. I got it. So now I need to cut all these little tabs off. Let me grab my pliers. Snap them off. They're designed to be broken off anyway. Let's check the speaker again. Yes, it's really nicely. Oh yeah. There you go, back, front. So before I put this bracket on guys, so guys, I'm putting a little bit of protective ring on the bracket itself to make sure I get all the sound coming out and there's no leakage. Okay, there you go. It's on there. Where's the top area? Okay, there's a little hole here. You feed. Oh, feed. Nope. Oh, it's bigger. All right, I gotta make the hole a little bigger. Hold on a second, guys. Just so the cable can come through. All right, let's test it out again. Make sure the wires can. There we go. Better. Okay, guys. All right, guys. So as you can see, I installed the bracket, the whatchamacallit, the fast ring. And if you can see it, here it is in there. And I did on both doors. And I enlarged this hole a little bit so I can put the wire through. So this, well, not that one. The other wire should go through easily. Now, I ordered a speaker from Crutchfield. This is the one I decided to go with, guys. Let's open it up and show you what's in the box. So here it is. It's just a grill, normal grill, like the Morell signal. You have some connectors in there if you need them. And you have this little dual rubber thingy. I'm not sure what that is. Not sure what this is, guys. But anyway, I don't know if I'm going to use it. And then you have the manual that tells you. So this manual is good for 4 inches, 5 1/4, 6 1/2, and 6 by 9. And you have some screws to attach the speakers. So let's open it up, take it out of the box to show you guys. There you go, guys. Those are really nice speakers. I like this material, what it's made of. I think it's a rubber cone that is treated. And here's the tweeter. I love the surrounding. Here's the cone. There you go. I like this. It's cool. And here's the magnet, guys. Let me show you. There you go. All right, guys. So that's the speaker. Let's go put it on. All right, guys. I'm not gonna use the screws that come with the speakers. They're a little too long. They're gonna be touching the door. I don't want that to happen. So I ordered these guys. Those are smaller screws. I'll put the link down in the description below. There you go. Since I ordered the speaker from Crutchfield, they also send you little connectors, which is one of the things I love. When you order stuff from Crutchfield, they send you extra stuff that you will need to install, like the bracket and the speaker connector. Let me grab the speaker connectors. So if you guys are interested, this is the part number. Hope you could see it. There you go. And here's the connectors. So they're easy. So the reason I enlarged this hole, so basically I can put my cables through here and connect this guy. Boom. Then grab my speaker, connect my speaker. The little one is negative.
I like the terminal for this guy, the Morell, the way they made. It's pretty cool. And the big one for my positive. Connected. So now all I have to do, I have to put them a little upside down because of the way the connectors are. That's good enough for me. All done, guys. It's installed. Let's give it a try and see how it sounds. All right, guys, next door panel, the same thing. All right, screw right here. Pop this door panel off. Okay, unplug. 2 screws that holds it. Okay, now we pop the door panel open. Find a spot here. There's a spot right there. Okay. All right. Whew. Took a little maneuvering. But this right here, guys, all you do is just push this back a little, and you can pop this door thing, the handle open. Stick out the speaker, guys. Right, guys, speaker is out. Unplug, pop it out. There you go, she's out. So now let's do the fast ring in here. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do it again. There you go, you've seen it. Okay, now I'm gonna put the fast ring on. I already know it's gonna fit. I already checked it out on the other door. I'm gonna just be safe. I'm gonna take the window down again to double check, but I think it should be fine. Okay, I know it's gonna fit. Now let's do the back one the same way we did it. All right, cut this guy off, and we need to cut this almost in half basically so it can fit. perfect, guys. It's not in the way. I like it. See? Love it. Let's go work on the speaker bracket. Okay guys, let's snap these guys off. We won't need them anymore. Snap that one off too. And these guys gotta go. Okay, they are out. You gotta put the ring over here. All right, that's good. We need to put one in the front there. Alright guys, bracket is ready. I know that my wire won't quite fit in there, so I need to cut a little bit of this guy here. Okay, perfect. Alright guys, now on the driver's side, it's time to add the speakers. Oh, let me get the connector. Run the cable first. Connect it. Let's grab the speaker. Okay guys, they are on. Hold on guys. Oh, I didn't even test to see if it works. Oh boy, let me test if it works. Hold on. Alright guys, she's all done. Sounds pretty good. There's no bass coming out of there, but this is for a later time when we do some more work to it. Because of the way the amp is set up, there's not that much bass, but it sounds a lot clearer and louder, which is what I wanted. So for now, this is a good one. Alright guys, I got the speakers installed. They sound pretty good. Not great, a lot louder, a lot clearer than what the factory was, so I'm happy with that. But we are gonna do the front at a later time, so for now I think I'm gonna leave it like that. I like the way it sounds. So guys, this quick little speaker changeover, quick and easy, make a big difference in the sound. You actually can hear the speakers now compared to the factory. But anyway, too much bothersome. This is all done guys. Thank you for watching. Right here, like and subscribe. Anyway, let me know what you think. Until the next time, peace guys.